call this a full-on weapon. I've been watching this since last night. You see this vortex going counterclockwise? Well, that purple right there is not okay. That's not okay. See that big blue? Oh, yeah. So it was because it converged. They're converging right there. You see how this line, it's moving into this line? Notice how it's fixed. It's fixed. It's a weapon. There's a weapon being deployed right now. All right. Look at this mess. Look at this mess, first of all. Look at what's actually feeding some of this. So look how the untrained eye would say, oh, it just disappears and gets better. Right there, right? Oh, shit. Well, and then you see nothing. But it's still... You see how this stuff looks like fire, and it's moving towards, it's being pulled into this vortex, this motor, and so is this stuff. Literally the edge of this is being pulled right in there. All right? And then look at just south of it, it's empty, like nothing's going on. The water has depolarized, I should say, it's not condensed. And it recondenses. God damn it. Just like this is a perfect example. It's dry over the area. Well, the water has to come from somewhere. Oh my gosh. This is huge, guys. Why is everything going so fast? That's going really fast. Oh my gosh. Look at that right there in Mexico. That's a weapon too. What's this? Look at this black area. Now watch the black area recede. Now see this is coming in like this, like a bar. Oh my God. Did you just see what that did? This is so bad. I can't explain any of this, but the Corpus Christi TTA, look at that band that just came out in front of that. And now look at that, how it just formed over that. There's a weapon there. There's another TTA right there in Mexico. Dude, Mexico's been working hard for us for this whole fucking process. The TTA in California is on. See that finger right there reaching for the towers? I even took a video the other day of smaller fingers at our scale that we can see from down below. And it was kind of at night, but whatever.
Hey, buddy, you're going to have to hold on. This is a great example, actually, of what I call fingers. Hold on, Daz. They're like hands. They're like fingers reaching for the towers. That's directly towards Seattle. You can see the sunset, but you can also see the ambient light. Yeah, shit, it's wicked.
Those are the smaller bands that get pulled in from the towers, pull on it. If it's heavy metal content, then it's going to pull on it. But then again, and then you can easily push water with magnets because water's diamagnetic. It's anti-magnetic. This is crazy. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to end. I don't know how to explain it. Any of it. And did we even... It is still on 200. Cool. So let's just take a look at... I don't like how it keeps doing that. Sorry, guys. Let's look at a visible spectrum real quick. Oh, my perspective is a little messed up. That's why that looked like it was going so fast. Let's do a different... Let's do this. This isn't going to give us as much to work with. But we're going to sort... Oh my God, look at the... we're going to go down to Mexico for sure. Look at this shit. Hold on. You see that down there? Hold on. This is so bad, you guys. There's a weapon on in Mexico for sure. Let's see. No, we're going to go to regional. We're going to get some real actual. We should have just hit the Gulf. Should have centered it on the Gulf, but whatever. I'm going to pause. I can't pause it with the screen recorder. So we're going to have to wait for this to buffer, and then I'll upload something later. I don't even know what to title it, and I'm sorry that I'm so lame and scattered. And I mean, come on, man. Like, I'm literally, like, on methadone. I've been clean for 8 years. Yes, I've been on methadone that whole time, like 9 years. I smoke weed. I'm ADD. Okay, well, see, now these resonance waves are the first sign of microwaving to begin with anyway. Now look at this, how it breaks up and there's a center region right there. You can see it. And then it's microwaving the whole Gulf. Something is. Look, watch it being drawn in. Oh, this is weird shit, dude. But with this, see, if you don't have a good connection, you got to let it buffer and let it load up. Oh, we can't see it at night. Then why did it show us screenshots of that when we were looking? I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the waves. It's right on that. It's right. All right. Let's go to. I want to go back and see that because I want to see the. There. Look at that right there. So we're able to actually go in. See, they're messing with us on some of these on some of these cameras, but I want to look at that, bro. They unleashed a huge fucking thing of metal, a wall of metal, and then it just spread out into the Gulf. In how many hours? Hold on. So let's just say this started 22, 23. So just in Kitty, come on now. Just in 3 or 4 or 5 hours. What are you doing, Kitty? What you smoking? Get the tail. Get the tail. Yeah, clean yourself real quick. She is not having that tail right now. Look at that band. Ooh. Wow. That's all metal. It's frozen. Where did that start? In Texas? No, it literally starts in... So they flew a bunch of planes along the coast of Texas or from Texas, from Mexico to... Oh, they built that fucker up, trust me. Believe that. Look at the... So whatever that was filled the entire Gulf. Watch now with this one, they hardly let us see it. We'll just have to use a different. Ooh. We'll just have to use a different filter.
told you about the third grade, I knew that was going to happen. So this friend and so are you, and I really don't want to come.
Yeah, there's less time on these.
Nothing wrong with you.
Starts out as planes, dropping trails. That trail, those trails expanded into that. Look out! It's a deployment. See how that thick condensed trail? Yes, you do see some metal over there, that darker stuff, but watch it just spread out. That's sulfur dioxide. Look at this thing, this white thing following that. Weird. The weird stuff is the stuff that doesn't move. That's the microwave stuff. Now you see now pay attention to the up near the northwest. You see all the green, it's moving and blah, blah, blah. Notice the white cloud cover that appears to be under it. Well, that's actually over. That's over, actually higher, and it's not now watch, see how the purple, all of a sudden it starts to generate into real clouds. Yeah. The reason the darker stuff, the thicker stuff looks higher over on top of everything is because this isn't actual satellite imagery. This is what towers read from the ground. Therefore, anything above the towers, just above the towers, is closest to the towers. Therefore, you're not going to easily see the higher stuff from the towers. That's why the higher stuff looks like it's covered. It's just backwards, because you think this data is being collected from above. It's being collected from below. So that's a whole nother day, a whole nother lesson.
Really happy. He looked good. This is flight. We put it on this claim number, and right before the party started, she looked something, and I wish we had asked earlier, but not because me trying to fix things. That was okay. It worked out. It looked beautiful. It did. I did good people, you know? I just so appreciate it. I don't know what you like.
Those are from planes. That's the only way that works. Shit doesn't work like that. Look at this big thing starting in, that's definitely spit out from the mountains. Or we'll get a better picture of that. I want to show you how it repolarizes after the mountain. So like it comes in from the west, and then it disappears over Cali because they keep Cali in a drought. I'll show you. See? And see, Cali, the desert, is drying it out, and then it reappears over the mountains. But that one really does look like sulfur dioxide and silver iodide was spit out starting in the mountains. This one's not the worst. This is the one we usually start.